Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 7th. Again, I'm going to read an essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. The essay is titled Beneath Problem Solving, and in the book you can find it under February 5th. Beneath most headaches is a heartache. Often we find it easier to think our way around things rather than to feel our way through them. What can we do to pull ourselves out of a bad mood? What can we buy, remove, or repair that will reduce or solve a loved one's anger or sadness? In retrospect, I realize I have spent many hours problem-solving emotional facts I just needed to feel. I know now that my frequent labors to understand what went wrong, while somewhat helpful, often were distractions from feeling the sadness, feeling the disappointment necessary to heal and move on. It's all very human. No one wants to feel pain, especially when you cannot quite point to a specific cut or wound. So it is with the heart. There is nothing to show or stitch up, yet everything is affected. The truth is that while analyzing and strategizing and preparing ourselves can occupy our minds and may even help prevent us from being hurt the same way twice, there is no substitute for giving the wound some air, which in the case of the heart means saying deeply, without aversion or self-pity, ouch. What a great reminder, isn't it? So today, let's do a practice of compassionate abiding, simply allowing ourselves to feel through the discomfort instead of trying to problem solve logically. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Find some spaciousness in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment, the physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. The practice of compassionate abiding is a way of bringing warmth to unwanted feelings. It is a direct method for embracing our experience rather than rejecting it. So now allow a recent discomfort of heart to rise within the safety of your soft, spacious breathing. As you do this, notice all the unwanted feelings that start coming up. Whatever the situation is for you, see if you can truly contact these unwanted feelings without words. Where do you feel this discomfort in your body? Does it have any texture, any color? Allow yourself to move through this discomfort by feeling it non-verbally. Breathe in these feelings, allowing them in completely, opening to them without fear. The in-breath can be deep and relaxed. Anything that helps you, let the feeling be there. Anything that helps you not to push it away. And as you breathe out, you relax and give the feeling some space. Remember, the out-breath is not a way of sending the discomfort away, but rather it's about ventilating this discomfort, loosening the tension around it, becoming aware of the space in which the discomfort is occurring. Maybe gently remind yourself, how human of me to feel this way. How human of me to want this feeling to go away. What thoughts are being provoked as you remember the situation and contact these feelings? Can you bring some kindness to yourself here? Maybe again reminding yourself, how human of me. Breathe in and allow all these thoughts in, opening to them, not pushing them away. Breathe out and create some space around the thoughts, around this discomfort. How human of me to think this way. How human of me to want these thoughts to go away. The practice of compassionate abiding helps us develop trust that our heart has the wisdom to filter and process any discomfort if we only give it the chance. So continue in this way for another minute or so, or be silent to give you some space to touch your direct experiences without the distraction of my voice. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for taking a few minutes to do this exercise today. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to remember that beneath most headaches is a heartache, and allow yourself to drop your problem-solving hat and instead connect with the wisdom of your heart. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.